Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. In today's video we'll be working on a Dodge Dart, guys, and if your front door, guys, let's say front left or front right door, guys, does not open from the outside, okay, we'll explain, guys, what causes that. Now we'll demonstrate on the front left, but the front right will be the same way. It will actually work on the rear door as well, but we'll have a separate video if you want to see the design on the rear door. Now, quick introduction, guys. Every car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 videos, and we'll have more than 200 videos on this Dodge Dart. Why we do that, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Another thing, guys, if you need to buy any car parts, tools, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get all that things from. This is a 2015 Dodge Dart, but it should work for the whole generation, guys. We took the whole door apart. Now, if you need to see how to do that, just search for on our channel for exterior or for door lock actuator replacement on Dodge Dart, or exterior door handle mechanism replacement. This is, guys, your exterior door handle will be installed on the door usually, and when you open it, it's going to unlock your door. But what is happening now, guys, how that thing works? It has one cable here. Okay, this is for locking and unlocking the door. This is for actually, guys, for opening the door. So if it doesn't work, okay, either you have something broken, okay, this thing could be broken that pulls the door handle. Okay, if it comes broken, it won't pull it. Or it could be broken here where the cable is. What else it could be, guys? Okay, it could be a loose cable right here. Okay, let's explain now. If that cable is not attached here all the way, what is going to happen? Okay, let me pull it. Okay, if it's loose like that, if it's not attached to the door handle, when you pull the door handle to open the door, it's not going to open, guys. Okay, check it out. It's going to turn, but it's not going to pull the cable like it should. So how we, guys, fix that? Okay, you need to make sure that your cable comes all the way in. Okay, or it could be a broken cable, another one. It could be just a broken cable sometimes too, but it's a common problem. Okay, here you can see how it locks in place. Okay, it has the two things. If one of those is broken, it can come loose. And if it's none of those reasons, guys, then it's inside your door lock actuator and you need to replace your door lock actuator. If you want to see the video on the channel, guys, how to remove and replace door lock actuator, check it out. We have it on the channel, everything from start to finish. I would recommend to watch the whole video because we broke something that you don't want to break. So check it out if you have something like that. Hopefully the video will be helpful, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.